What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to convert PowerPoint presentation to Word file. Pretty easy, you just have to follow the steps. So let's get right into the video. Open up your PowerPoint presentation, and once you're there, make sure to save it before you are going to convert. Then head over to your Chrome browser, then write I love PDF, search for it, head over there, and for that you can see there are several options so that you can convert your PowerPoint presentation to a Word file. So all you have to do is click on PowerPoint to PDF, then select a PowerPoint file. It will allow you to browse your computer so that you can choose your desired PowerPoint presentation. Once you're okay with it, click on open. Now click on convert to PDF. The PowerPoint file has been converted to PDF. Then click on download PDF, click start download, open it, and you can see your PowerPoint presentation is converted to PDF. But as we want our presentation to be in a Word document, so we will head over to this page again, and then we will select PDF to Word. Now select a PDF file, go to your downloads. Now download the PDF you just converted. So click on the PDF you just converted, then click on open, then convert to Word. Your PDF has been converted to an editable Word document. Now click on download Word. Your Word file has been already downloaded, and if I open it, you can see it is currently in a Word document. So yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.